So let me record it and then I will send the link so you might share it with your colleagues later. So if we want to switch slides, we use our two fingers and the same sensor glass board. So we do it like this and we change the slide. And here is an example of how we can use the studio for educational purposes, like as if it was an English lesson, and we are asked, our students are asked to fill the gaps, to choose the right word. So we can do it together with our students simultaneously, opening the right words together with them, with our classroom. Or we can take a pencil and write the right words. We can also interact with every single picture on the slide, even with our logo. It also can be operated with like this. What's more, we can show high-resolution pictures, and using the navigation panel we can change the scale. We can, for example, choose the highlighter and circle some objects, so we can focus attention on some details. We can show animated objects, like, for example, like this kind of object, so we can hide it. We can show the objects like this, for example, or like this. So any animated objects are also, we can also show them. We can change the transparency. So for me, it might be easier to work with the objects when I see my hand behind this object. So it's a little bit transparent. The image is a little bit transparent. We can show 3D models, and we can operate with the models and show them from different angles. This is a 3D model. We can hide it also and change the scale. So everything is, just a second, everything is interactive. We can show websites. This is our website, and we can scroll our website and turn on video and audio files, so you may get the picture and the sound.
Hello, this video was created in Jalinka Studio without using a special crew and editing. If you need to film online courses, training videos for employees or hold webinars, in this video I will talk about a complete...
Yep. We can use our studio for marketing purposes, so we can open, for example, your website and show the products, and so conduct or shoot some video content for the inside use, or to promote something. So some of our customers, like big corporations like Gazprom, Leroy Merlin, and some other, they use our studio for internal purposes, so to educate their own employees in their own educational centers inside. We as a speaker also can take different positions in front of the camera, so we can locate objects of our presentation on both sides, on our right and on our left, for example. This is my right hand, actually. The image mirrors, so I have to say that this is my right hand. So at the moment I look on my right, I look to the right, and I keep an eye contact with the object on my right. I take a pointer so I can operate with this object. For the objects on my left, I look at the displays which are hanging on the frame of our sensor touchboard. So I also can keep an eye contact with them, so my spectators can easily understand what I'm talking about, what I'm interacting with. I can also, for example, do it in this way, so there is another position for the speaker being out of the frame. So we can set this beforehand, so we can leave the object of the presentation only without the speaker. So, and there is a sensor touch board in our studio, which I can use to work with the objects also, just like staying in the frame also. What's more, we can show our desktop surface, the desktop of our main computer in the studio, and we can open any kind of programs like educational programs, technical programs, medical programs, and we can also interact with the objects of these programs easily. We can change the scale. For example, we can make it bigger and make it smaller. We can open Word files, for example, like this. We can show Word files. Also, being in the frame together with the object. We can also show zoom, and you can see yourself here, so you can also be part of the content, and we can so to say make a multi-platform communications where when our students get the information through Zoom, and we can invite a lecturer or a speaker from Skype or anywhere, and so we can administrate such kind of communication. So we can also change the size of this frame easily. Well, what's more, we can, as I have already said, we can open any kind of programs. We can open Google Maps, for example, anything that is on the computer, and also we can show it, and we can write or draw above also without any problems. So these are the main features what this studio can do. This studio is mainly used for distance learning, for educational purposes. So we think that product might be interesting for the technologies are growing, and the demand for such kind of solutions in the educational establishments is also growing. And so what do you think? Might that be interesting for you and for the market? How is the studio?
Yes, it's very interesting idea. It's a very, very new thing in Poland, but now we don't have any customers for that. Probably it could be possible to universities, I think, but it will be in the future, I think.
Do you work with
Schools
universities?
are primary schools or high schools, but not universities, and we don't know if it works there. Do you hear us?
Yeah, yes. Yes, I got
Yes.
it. So you don't work with universities, right? You work mainly with schools. Have I got it right?
We stop. We don't hear you. You.
Uh-huh. It's very strange. So can you hear me now? Can you? No? So
Maybe now?
can you hear me?
No, we stop hear you.
It's very
We don't
strange.
know why.
Very strange. Actually, you should have. You should. No? Can you hear? No? No. I think I think it's fine from my side. It's fine. No, you don't hear me? Still not? Unfortunately. Okay, I will. Okay, I will send. Okay. Um, okay, okay. See you. Thank you. Okay.